unboxing Mavic 2 Pro with more fly kit. So let's see what's in there. So in the Mavic 2 Pro box we got the actual drone itself. Let me put that away for now. There's a smart remote controller. Got 1, 2, 3 boxes there. Let's see what's inside the boxes. We got propellers, 3, well, 1 sat there and 2 of them extra there. And then there's booklet, all the booklet, and the how-to instructions to set up the menu and all the drone. Factory instruction, disclaimer, safety guidance, that's it. Box number 2, let's see what's in there. Oh, that's a charging connector. Right, this is the charging bit which you have to connect. Box number 3. Right, we've got USB-C cable. This one is a connector for Android, I guess. Yeah, this is for Android. Well, if you want to, it's on the remote. So I'll come up to that one in a bit and I'll tell you. That's another adapter. USB-C to Android. These are the extra remote controllers, a little dongles. Let's keep them in there, don't want to lose them. That's another connector there. Right, let's come to the fly mode kit. It came with a white box on top, so I removed that early on. We got this connector for the USB battery. If you want to connect it to the battery and then use a USB, come up to that one. Get everything out. There's 2 extra batteries in there. And there's another 2 sets of fan propellers. This is how it's quite tight in there, to be honest, the way they made it. But it's waterproof, secure box. In there. There's another pocket there if you want to put a card or something in there. Right, this is a car charger that came with the fly mode kit. So you connect this to your car. Got the connector there, connector here. And then it opens like this, and when these new batteries come in, obviously press a button, there won't be any light. That's because they're on a standby mode. So They got like 30% battery probably, but to activate it, you have to charge it first, and then you can do it. Right, it's a bit tricky to connect this one, so all you have to do, keep these connectors to the level there, and then don't squeeze it, don't use your force power, just follow slowly because you can damage the pins there. There you go, that's the connector number one there. That's number 2 there. And the third battery obviously came with the drone itself. Third one you can charge there, and the fourth one obviously I don't have that, so you won't be able to use that. Wouldn't need that. So that's car connector there. Also, if you don't want to use the car connector, you can connect this plug in like into the socket, and there's another plug for that, which is this one. So all you have to do is just take off that one and connect it to this one. These are the propellers, that extra ones that came with the Flymo kit. Let's put these aside. This is the interesting part, the one I was telling you. What you do, let's say if you run out of battery on your phone and you know something, what you have to do is get this connector, connect to here, like that, and you got 2 USBs there, and you can charge your phones and equipment that you want to charge with the USB. That works as a power bank as well, basically. Let's come to the remote. That's the antennas, and then you got a phone holder there, and you also got these 2 remote connectors which you can connect to like this to use them, and they got socket to hold on to it so you don't lose it. Really like the design, the way they use the plastic, but it's very good quality one. Right, these connectors, if you haven't got the iPhone and you want to use the Android and any other phone, that's the iPhone connected already there, and that's the socket that comes from there to connect it to the remote. You can easily replace them by taking it off from here and here and adjusting this one to it, whatever the phone you got, whatever the socket you got there. So that's the remote there. So let's come to the main kit. Mavic 2 Pro got one sensor there, got a couple sensors over here, and the reason I got this one is it's really good at the following, as well as collision control and everything because of the sensors. So it really helps if you're a beginner and you want to be careful and doesn't want to damage the drone itself. So it's better to go for the drone Mavic Pro, and it's got the holder there. All you have to do is just squeeze it out. That's it. Let's put this aside. This is cheap material, it's not strong, it can easily crack. They should have made a little bit more securer, more thicker and harder, but it's very cheap the way they made this one. Not happy with the cap. Right, keep these connectors aside. Let's get to the propellers. Oh, you got 2 in there, so we got 3 sets basically, so that's good. That's another 2, so I won't be needing this one, so I'll put that at the side. Right, these ones, you see a little circle white one over there, that means it will go onto this white dots over here, so it's really easy so you don't mess it up. These ones, they got no line or no circle white dots, and that would go over here. easy, really easy to, you know, install. Just squeeze it in there, match it to the exact position, and twist it. That's it. That one is all. Got the third one. This one's plain, so that would go over here. That one's last one got the white circle. This would go over here. Right, let's go outside and try this, how it goes.